Hello guys, good morning. Kiara Kate is with me. Kiara Kate and Mommy again. Here. Guys, karon pa mi nakabalik og vlog ni Kiara Kate guys kasi Mommy busy kayo. O nya guys, karon guys. Look at Kiara. Mo translate na po ta guys. I-translate tani unsa ni kaptan diri guys. Toothbrush. Kay naay nangutana, Mami, unsa man na ang toothbrush sa Italiano si tawag ana? O translate ron ni Kiara Kid. Right, Kiara? You translate it? Also the fridge kana guys. So natay fridge dire. Oh yes, okay. That one see. Ang fridge food guys no, i-translate atong Italian. Okay, before ta na i-translate guys, magchika-chika sa kanin niyo guys no. Okay. Uy. Karon pa yun mi nakalugar na po ni Kiara kay busy makay iyang mommy. Your mommy is so busy, right? And then Kiara naana po siya is full. Okay guys. Mo na si mommy o si Kiara kitan mommy panalagsan na lang kayo mag-vlog, mag-translate og Italian kay busy kaayo mi. No? Then today guys, si Kiara ginaang ng hagad guys nga mag-vlog na pud kuno mi no. Kay gimingaw siya og vlogging, right Kiara? You miss vlogging, right? Yes. And then someone asking Kiara how to say a toothbrush in Italian, Mommy, like that. And then also the fridge. Yes, we are going to translate it in Italian later, right? Yes, you know about that? Okay guys, si Kiara Kit mag-translate og Italian guys because she knows guys, no? Huh? I will going to ask you later how to say it toothbrush in Italian because the Ginty will watching, no? Will watching because they miss you also. You miss Kiara guys, right? You miss Kiara, no guys, no? Kiara is here na guys. Look. Busy man po si Kiara. She's busy doing her assignment every day guys, no? Because she's grade 1 already. That is why we don't have time for vlogging na guys. Sometimes na lang ang vlogging, right Kiara? Yes. Bisaya na mo to ba guys? Okay guys, let's start na guys, no? We are going to translate it in Italian na ang toothbrush and fridge. Okay, first I will ask Kiara. Kiara, I will ask you Kiara how to say fridge in Italian. That one ba fridge? Yeah, refrigerator. How to say it in Italian? The fridge.
Frigo.
Yes, correct guys. Correct si Kiara guys. Frigo. Moto siya sa Italian guys, ang fridge, frigo. And Kiara, how about the toothbrush? This one, the toothbrush. Because someone asking how to say toothbrush in Italian. How to say this one in Italian? Spazzolino. Spazzolino da
dente.
Yes, correct guys. Ang toothbrush sa Italian guys is spazzolino da dente. Okay guys, dira na lang guys ko to mga mga video guys. Thank you for watching. Bye. Ciao.